Crayola Experience, Orlando, Florida. Pick the color.
The crayon.
Okay.
Each of them have different colors.
Okay.
Okay, so put in your token.
Pick your color. Insert your token. Select your language. Put your text after you pick your shape. Hit continue.
There's your crayon. Okay, now let's go. Pause it. We'll show you how. You want to do it?
Put your crayon inside. Take your label.
Upside down.
Upside down.
Make sure you place it.
Oh, that's cool. It's got suction.
Yeah.
It really sucks. Pull it. Wow, that's so awesome. I love it. Then you throw your paper away and be responsible. You don't leave your papers strewn all over the place like this.
It's purple too, huh?
If the 2 tokens aren't enough for you, you get more tokens to make crayons for 50 cents per token. Alright, we got all the colors and they're all personalized with the names we want. What do you think, son? Yeah! Make yourself a star and you can color too.
Or this one. Look at the background first. Tell me which one to stop. Okay. You want this one? That one.
Back and forth.
Okay.
Can he do all of them?
Cowboy.
Yeah. Okay, let's look at it. Let's see what we got. What do you got? Beautiful, beautiful. The crayon, born in 2017. It's 15 foot, 7.2 inches long, and 1,532 pounds. I think it went to a lot of crayon buffets.
Are in this kaleidoscope adventure.
mail yourself a video. Over here. All right, it's gonna send it to us an email. Save your tokens if you want packs of crayons. You can also get markers with your tokens. They've got a claw machine that takes 50 cents, not tokens. This is $1, quarters only. Another claw machine. Quarters, no tokens. Crayola coloring activity station. Toddler play area. Big kid play area. Marker coloring station. This is the colored Play-Doh vending machine where you can get Play-Doh and then make all kinds of Play-Doh stuff for real money. And it comes with all the Play-Doh cutters so you can be creative. Okay, we got some of that Play-Doh in the vending machine. It takes tokens. I don't know what it says, but it's magic model clay. Looks like it's in German or French.
Here.
Oui, oui,
Oh, it feels interesting. It's
Whoa.
it's like, it feels,
Does it smell good?
no, ew. It
Smells like Play-Doh.
It feels different.
Squishy,
It's super light.
super light.
Like less dense than,
It's made out of crayons, Mama.
oh.
Okay, we're gonna make something with our Play-Doh. Ooh, that looks like a fruit roll-up. That's a nice marker, I like that. Yeah, make something else. He's got a good imagination, Mama. Smash it. Token?
Crayola.
Wow. Cool, it's like you're printing money. Silly selfies and Rockin Paper. What are you making? Yeah, you gotta finish it though. Oh, I like yours, Mama.
That's kind of weird.
Okay. That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah. Crayola bathroom. Put it back in there. Put your hands back in there. You can color anything. You can do mining. Find rocks in the sluice station that comes down. That's cool. Big kid PlayStation indoor. Melting drip art for the crayons. several stations. Employees just chilling. Put your next color in. Close the door. Okay, so what did you learn about the handles, Mama?
This is fast, this is medium, this is slow.
And then what happens when you do those?
It spins faster or it slows down.
You're done, you pull out the drawer. You take your crayon art, and then you close the drawer. Mama and little one. Drip art. Making a mold. Pull it open. Put in your crayon, close it. Just gonna mold it inside. What is it? Axe hands. Create a melted wax painting. See everyone doing it. Melting crayon art, where you put a crayon inside, it melts and you draw. Gonna do a unicorn. Mama's gonna do a lioness. Looks like the little one's got a smiley face. Oh, that is so beautiful, Mama. He's got dreadlocks. You can tell that Mama is the artist in our family. Good job, Mama. All right, here's our family creations. Our family creations. You get hungry while you're here, they have Cafe Crayola with mac and cheese, pretzels, and various other things.